Meteorologist Sam Coplin here. It's been an active past 2 days thanks to all this moisture that's slowly been moving on in from south to north, finally starting to push out. But it was just a fire hose of moisture, especially east of the Hudson Valley. And look what it left in its wake. We see rainfall over the last 30 hours or so. Parts of Putnam, Orange, down towards Westchester County had a bullseye of over 7 to 8 inches, which is nearly equivalent to the amount of rainfall they typically would see all summer long. Then we move closer to our area. We had parts of Berkshire County up towards southern Rutland County. Totals in that 3 to 6 inch range, and they're still raining over parts of central and northern Vermont. And then closer to the capital region, bullseye over here was over northwestern parts of Rensselaer County. Spiegeltown reported 6 inches of rain. Elsewhere, it was a broad 1 to 3 inches, in some cases a little bit less, in some cases a little bit more. And here, that was a radar estimate. Here are the official reports. Thanks so much to our WeatherNet 6 spotters. Again, that Spiegeltown was the highest total in our area, but then 3 to 6 inches or so from down through Vermont, down towards Berkshire County, and then it was a smattering of 1 to 3 inches right here in the capital region. So even though the rain for the most part is starting to wrap up, we still do have a flood watch for the northern half of our area because that rain still needs to drain somewhere, and it's going to be draining into those rivers and streams, which could cause those to increase in size, elevate, and could even cause some minor to even moderate flooding, especially up towards Vermont, where they could actually be getting severe flooding from all of that runoff that's currently taking place. So it's a good reminder, some flooding safety. It only takes a little bit of water to cause a lot of problems. 6 inches of fast-moving water could knock over and carry away an adult. 18 to 24 inches of fast-moving water could carry away most large SUVs, vans, and trucks. And it's not a surprise that flooding after heat is the second leading cause of deaths, weather-related cause of deaths in this country, just because of the power of water. Thankfully, this big storm is pulling out slowly but surely, and in its wake, high pressure will take over, giving us drier and more comfortable conditions, at least temporarily. Here's how everything times out. Overnight tonight, still a passing shower is possible. It would favor capital region and points north. Can't even rule out a spotty downpour, but I think that risk diminishes more and more as the night wears on. Waking up tomorrow morning, timestamp 8 a.m. More sun to the south, more clouds to the north, but we all break out into mostly sunny skies by the afternoon, with just a tiny chance of a pop-up shower. Tomorrow will be a fairly pleasant day. It'll be warm, mid to upper 80s, but the humidity will be a little bit lower, so should feel great, especially considering we haven't seen sunshine in several days. Tonight, low to mid 60s, lingering shower, especially north, more clouds north, more clear skies south. We start off the day with more clouds north, more sunshine south, but then we all break out into sunshine during the day tomorrow. 10 to 20% chance of a pop-up shower, mid to upper 80s for the highs. Here's your shower coverage the next several days. It's low tomorrow and Wednesday, but it really increases Thursday, Friday, and beyond. And the ground is already super saturated, so it's not going to take much to cause some problems. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. Again, 2 pleasant days, 2 pleasant and warm days, and then more unsettled for the opening day at the track on Thursday and right into the weekend. Thanks for tuning in.